So with the car, we're down to the final details. You know, we've got a few more things to wire up, but it's basically done. Am I happy with the car? I love the car. I love the car to start with. That's the thing. Jag guys beat me up because I had put the LS engine in, but I love the car to start with. That's why I'm even paying attention to it. And we made it better. All these things that we did to the car are designed to improve in increments, improve in a subtle way that doesn't reinvent the mousetrap. So I am absolutely thrilled with this car. It sits in the road nice, it feels good. One of the things that I love the most about this platform is that the more you ask of it, the more stable it gets in the road. We have raised that bar with the aftermarket products, and honestly, I'm frickin' thrilled. But after all of that, there's still one more thing that we got to do. We started with the baseline, we measured how much power it made, not very much, and we want to see where we're at the end of the game with all this high performance stuff, the trick flow cylinder heads. We got to see what kind of power we made. So we're going to DBR High Performance to figure just that out. Look at that number. I am so happy with how this car turned out. The paint, the stance, the power. And I want to thank you all for watching this build. And WD-40, Pull Apart, Holley Performance, MagnaFlow, and Performance Accessories for bringing each episode of Hands On Cars to life. So until next time, I'm Kevin Tates, and thank you for watching Hands On Cars.